In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page background color in Microsoft Word. Adding a background color is a simple yet effective way to personalize your document, improve visual appeal, or make certain content stand out more clearly. This feature is especially useful for creative projects, presentations, flyers, or any document where design plays an important role. To get started, open the Microsoft Word document that you want to customize. Once your document is open, take a moment to look at the ribbon across the top of the screen. This ribbon contains all the main tools and features in Word, organized into different tabs. For changing the background color, you'll want to click on the Design tab, which focuses on layout, themes, and overall document styling. After opening the Design tab, move your attention to the right side of the ribbon. In the Page Background group, you'll find the Page Color option. Click on it, and a color palette will appear. This palette includes theme colors and standard colors that are ready to use. When you click on any of these colors, Word will instantly apply it to the background of your entire page. This makes it quick and easy to preview different looks until you find one that works well for your document. If the preset colors don't match what you have in mind, you can choose the More Colors option. This opens a color picker that allows you to select a specific shade by adjusting values or choosing from a wider range of colors. This option is helpful when you need an exact color to match branding, graphics, or a specific design theme. For even more creative flexibility, the Page Color menu also includes fill effects. Selecting this option opens additional background choices beyond solid colors. Here, you can apply gradients that blend multiple colors together, creating a more dynamic appearance. You can also choose textures, patterns, or even use an image as your page background. These options are ideal for documents that need strong visual impact, such as posters or custom-designed reports. Once you've applied a background color or effect, take a moment to review your document. Make sure the text remains easy to read and contrasts well with the background. Adjusting text color or spacing may help maintain clarity and professionalism. With these tools, changing the page background color in Microsoft Word becomes a simple and creative process. Feel free to experiment with different options until your document looks exactly the way you want it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.